Hey everybody, Alex here with Momentum Charting. Today we are going to be getting into the chart of TLT, the 20-year Treasury Bond ETF. Thank you so much for joining me on this channel in this video. If you are new, welcome to the channel. If you're not, welcome back. No matter what you do, just go down below, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you do not miss any updates over the next couple weeks on TLT. Thank you for joining me on this video. Let's get into the chart. Last time we did an update, guys, on TLT. It's about a week and change ago, right around here, July 22nd. And we were at that time expecting continued strength in bonds and in TLT. And it's been really pretty much of a slow grind since then, just chopping sideways, chopping sideways. And then over the last couple of days, we've kind of gotten a nice breakout back to the upside, and you can see here on our 3-hour momentum chart, which obviously we like to use to determine direction of momentum off supports and resistances. You can see this trend operating really nicely still. We've been getting this series of higher lows ever since around May 18th, and just continues with these higher lows and higher highs with no end yet in sight of this trend. And just today on August 2nd, we did get this break to the upside and confirmation on the 3-hour. So definitely expecting higher prices yet still in the future, in the short-term future for TLT and bond strength moving forward. Let's also, I wanted to look at the continuous contract on bond futures to kind of give you guys an idea of what's been happening here. So you can see the strength of this trend has been developing since early June, and we just got this nice channel working up here, this touch points here on June 4th, June 16th, June 25th, and this channel's just been working up nicely. And you can see additionally we have another channel here that's also working up. So we've got this really nice looking upward moving channel that's been developing for the better part of 2 months now. And you can see here pretty clearly what's been happening when these big peaks, spikes to the upside develops, is when you get these consolidations off of these peaks. So here off the June 11th high, this thing's consolidated and then broke back to the upside here on June 17th. Similarly, we spiked here June 20th on the overnights, pulled all the way back, consolidated, 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 and then finally, well, we did break up here on the 30th at 9 in the morning, then broke back down, but then we broke back up and showed a consistent break above this line of overhead resistance, and then we got this, once again, this big nice spike to the upside over the next couple of days. And then again, same pattern. Off this spike, prices retraced all the way down to these levels here around 160, 110, and you can see how we developed just sort of this consolidation zone right here. But eventually we were able to break out of that to the upside and got spike prices higher to the upside over the next couple of days. So going back to what we're talking about here, last update in these areas here around July 22nd, finally, what we've been waiting for, I had this trend line set here and been just waiting here patiently for a break to the upside, and we did indeed get that today, midday in the market. And obviously, according to what we've been seeing for bonds in the last couple of months, if this pattern is to hold true, what we are going to get here is indeed over the next couple days just this nice spike in prices to the upside. And I've got 2 points here kind of that I'm going to be watching carefully. One is connecting this top here on July 8th with let's see, with this top here right around July 20th. So I've got this trend line drawn here, and then I've got additionally this trend line drawn here. So I'm expecting prices to spike to one of these two areas, and I'm going to be watching carefully like I always do for a break of the 20-minute trend to the downside, which is going to let me know that most likely prices are going to start retracing just like they have been doing back and start setting another zone of consolidation. So swing trader, short-term profits, going to be watching for a spike up to one of these two areas here over the next, looks like, let's see, August 4th, that's 2 days, and this is, so somewhere between the next 2 to 4 trading days is what I'm going to be looking for on a the finished pattern spike to the upside on TLT and bonds. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. Continued strength in the next couple of days, and then potentially a retrace and another consolidation in bonds to set up for our next spike to the upside, maybe sometime middle of this month, middle of August. So that's what I'm going to be looking for on TLT. Obviously, momentum 3 hours still looking strong. Everything, we got this 1 hour trend here set. Moving averages still moving nicely to the upside. I am not in any form or fashion worried about TLT right now. I think we've got a lot of strong established trend lines underneath here, and as well as the continuous contract, and I'm seeing a potential breakout and spike to the top of a range of our channel over the next couple of days. So that's what I'm looking for on TLT here, guys. No signs of weakness as of yet, and so yeah, I'm looking for higher prices in TLT in the short and mid-term. So guys, thank you so much again for joining me on this video. Any questions, happy to hear them. Yeah, just if you don't want to miss any updates on TLT, broad markets, everything like that, make sure you're subscribed to the channel down below. Probably be doing another update on TLT, if not tomorrow, then the day after on August 4th, just to kind of get an idea of where we are at, if indeed we got this spike to the upside that we were waiting for, and potentially where a good exit in the short term for swing traders is going to be. So thanks for subscribing, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I will see everybody again shortly in the next update. Bye for now.